My name is Mikey Porter. I work for Hayner Hoyt as a field engineer, and we're out here at Point Place Casino. We're doing a casino expansion and building a hotel. Currently behind me, we're swinging the modulars with a crane. As you can see, we got one going up right now. They have 64 boxes in total, and they have about 25 left. They're doing one box every 30 minutes on pace, and they're gonna get the whole hotel built in a week. So, very cool process to watch and be a part of.